Kumusta mga pangga? I trust all of you are doing fine. So for tonight, our dinner, I will make a special dish. Indian dish actually. I prepared all the ingredients, so we may proceed. These are the ingredients: dried chili, coriander powder, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, asafoetida. We need also 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 piece chopped ginger, 1 piece red tomato chopped into pieces, 1 big red onion, 2 pieces green chilies, and 2 cloves garlic chopped. 1 cup black-eyed beans should be soaked in water in 1 hour. In a pressure cooker, add the beans after immersed in an hour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, cover the pressure cooker, wait until it's steamed, and lower the heat to medium. After 5 to 8 minutes, check if it's perfectly tender, and it's done. For the masala, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and now 2 squeeze of asafoetida. Add the onion and mix it. After mixing, add 2 dried leaves and cut it twice. Followed by garlic and 2 green chilies. Now add the 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and mix with it. And now we'll add 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. And mix all over. And now it's the tomato time. You have noticed that I follow the ginger in the last part. This is my way so that I will taste the ginger very well. After all the ingredients are cooked, now add 1 glass of water. And now mix, and we are almost there. Now add the beans and slowly mix it well. At this time, it's almost ready to serve. Looks delish, isn't it? It will not be complete without chapati or paratha, of course. Yummy! That's all for now. Hope you enjoy my Indian masala recipe. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.